I do like outdoor activities because with outdoor activities I can enjoy myself being outside and not just staying at home doing nothing. Besides that, outdoor activities also helps me to keep active and healthy. Usually I will spend roughly a few hours every week just to exercise or do some outdoor activities. My favorite outdoor activities would be strolling in the park, maybe some exercise or hang out with friends. Besides that, I would also occasionally do some sports such as badminton, football, futsal, paintball, and so on. I have taken a few marathons before, such as the Star Walk and also Utah Run, which is organized yearly in my university. I like to have outdoor activities and mainly marathon because I can enjoy exercising at the same time and also having fun with friends because I usually participate this with my friends. About keeping my patience by doing outdoor activities, usually I'll do it with my friends so that I don't get bored so easily.